This video would be a very entertaining peek at the hours I spent refinishing this $75 Facebook Marketplace find for our kitchen. This includes stripping, sanding, and staining it twice because I made a hasty stain color choice. This is what the video would have been, but my 5-year-old decided to assist. The result is way better than anything I could have done, so I'll let Joseph get us started.
Beep, beep, let's do it.
I am going to strip the tabletop here. I already did a little test over here. I am not going to refinish the legs. I'm going to leave them as is, even though they're not perfect. I'm okay with that. I just really want to make this top much better than it is. I hope I have enough stripper. I don't know quite how to put into words how much more amazing it is to strip something that's just flat. So these gloves have been excellent, and I will continue to use those today. This has been fine. I just found it the other day. This brush is hugely helpful. This brush is also awesome, and I need to use it with the afterwash and be able to dip and dissolve what gets stuck on it, but it works really well when used in that way. And this scraper is also helpful. It is a beautiful day to have a picnic. Do you want the picnic blanket?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so I've just done a little test spot with red mahogany, and I like it. I want to see how it compares to the legs that I did not strip. And the legs are right here. Yeah, I think that color is going to look good. All right, the sander has been working. In some places, it's just that it's, got a crack right at the end grain, and so it just wants to pull back. But I think I've smoothed this enough that it'll be fine. I'm obviously fine with this looking like it's been really banged up and beat up. So this stain is so thick.
I like pointing.
Can you not? Are you directing attention to certain places?
Yes.
Okay. This video is brought to you by me and my kid, who is my videographer. So I'm just getting it.
How am I supposed to get my thumb into there?
I don't think your thumb should be in there.
But I want it to.
Well,
I want to show that it's good.
You want to hold your thumb up? Well, the lens is right here on this side, so use your thumb from the other side. And hold it a little in front of the phone.
The lens?
No, your finger, but don't put your face there. Just put your finger across. Go across the back of the phone like this.
Oh.
And hold it a little further away so that people can see that you're making a thumbs up. How's that look?
Good?
Good. That works.
Works. I'm trying to sleep.
You should try to focus on what I'm doing here, down. Yeah, there you go.
I'm not sure what this is. Is this in the video? Is everything we say in the video as well?
I think you're really good at this. You're a good director.
finishing up this half. What do you do not want to be in the video?
I don't know until I look at all this footage we've taken. Might keep it all in, including all your thumbs ups. I think we should do this all the time.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Well, it depends if this is something that you like doing.
I love doing
I'd rather
this.
do a puzzle than help with this.
Beep beep, let's do it.
Why did you say beep beep, let's do it?
Because I like all the cars to get out of the way so I can see my video.
I see. Beep beep. Beep beep, let's do it. I have been living with this table inside, and I've finally decided that it's just too dark. When it's inside, and you can see it next to the trim in the house, the trim is roughly the color of this chair. And I don't love the color of the wood trim, but we're keeping it for now. And you know, when I look at the legs, you may not be able to see this as well, but they're really more of that sort of lighter orange than that sort of dark red mahogany that's almost purple. And so the red mahogany for the top was not the right choice. The table is still not done. I did not record the other day when I was stripping it again. I sanded to get the darkness off of the center and the side here, but I liked how this side looked. I had sanded it enough before putting the early American stain on, so I left it, wondering if I should have stripped the whole thing and just put varnish on it. But you know what? This thing has to be done. For the record, stripping it is way easier than sanding it to remove the finish. Way easier, way less time, way less waste, though the chemicals are not fun. Here it is after it's all done. It's super wet, and so it looks high gloss, but it's not gonna stay looking like this. I hope, because I hate how it looks right now. Oh man, this is a love-hate relationship I have with this table.
Some little kids have to put a smile, but some big kids don't have to.